Alrighty, so for this week's discussion, it says, think of a lesson you recently taught. What would be the next steps for three focus students, a small group of students, and the whole class to move them forward in their learning? So we just finished our basketball unit, so I'm going to be referring the lesson plan that I did for shooting a basketball. I did shooting a basketball after I did dribbling first, passing, and then I moved to shooting. So as a whole, the entire class, the next steps for them would be moving towards another lesson that combines the three that we already have done. So I wanted a lesson that would combine shooting, passing, and dribbling. So for example, we did a lesson where I put spots on the ground and the students would dribble out to the spots. They would shoot from the spots, and then after they did their shot, they would pass it back to a teammate. So that combines all three of those. For a small group of students, I might pull out certain students and kind of have them experiment with a slightly different version of the activity or the lesson, because I'd want to see how they almost use it as like a test group where they're still learning, and I can kind of learn to see something that I might think is slightly more challenging, that I can test out with a group of students that's just a little bit smaller, but still have a diversified group of learning styles in that group. And then in terms of the focus students, I might try something that is, what I want to do is a combination of sports somehow combined, or a combination of subjects where I somehow combine not only the the three basketball skills of dribbling, passing, and shooting combined with each other, but also somehow combine it with maybe a different sport, or a lesson that combines those three skills with a different subject. So pretty much it'd be the most challenging of the three.